Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings from Wilson in the world of golf clubs. We're talking about the Wilson Men's Profile Platinum Complete Golf Club Package Set. Known for its exceptional quality and performance on the green. Let's get into why this might just be the ultimate choice for your golfing needs. The Wilson Men's Profile Platinum Set is engineered with the finest materials and Wilson's top-notch engineering. It's designed to elevate your game with every swing. This set includes 10 clubs, a driver, A5 wood, A5 hybrid, 6-through sand wedge, and a putter. Featuring a durable black PVD finish on the driver to reduce glare and look sleek on the course. Lightweight components and advanced design maximize distance off the tee and control around the greens. The easy-to-hit hybrid with a tip-reinforced graphite shaft enhances forgiveness and boosts distance. Lower center of gravity heads improve launch trajectory and increase distance, giving you more control over your shots. If you're looking to upgrade your golf game, this set offers everything you need to perform at your best. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned golfer, the Profile Platinum Set is designed to deliver consistent performance and help you achieve longer, straighter shots with ease. Compared to other golf club sets in its class, the Wilson Men's Profile Platinum stands out for its combination of quality, performance, and affordability. Priced competitively, it offers exceptional value for golfers looking to invest in a set that enhances their gameplay. To wrap it up, the Wilson Men's Profile Platinum Complete Golf Club Package Set is a solid choice for anyone serious about improving their golfing experience. With its thoughtful design, premium materials, and Wilson's reputation for excellence, this set earns our recommendation as one of the best Wilson Ultra Golf Club sets available in the market today. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations on top products. See you next time.